We will beat through the path of my sculptures in All Worlds Park. The Cimbri Bus, as you see, a lovely park, a lovely place for the sculptors. November Bus, November. Now we're going through another one. Somebody stole the name, but they will be. I'm gonna make new names for them. A little bit of All Worlds Park. They need really new names because they are really not so clear. I need to make new names. I'm gonna burn it. I'm gonna burn some wood and make the new names. And the first one, it's Janus, the Roman god of the doors. Two faces, one look behind and another one forward. One look back, one look front. As you see, two faces, like the Roman gods of the doors, Janus. Okay, after the